I'm Jake from LHCS Studio. This is our unboxing for the Salsa 2 photo booth by Photo Supply Co. New Salsa 2 photo booth by Photobooth Supply Co. Okay, so we did the unboxing, we remove it to the box. Now we're gonna open and set it up. Okay? When you buy the Salsa 2, this transporting case over here with wheels is included on your Salsa boot. Okay, so I think this is the head part. This one, pull it out. Whoa! All right. See that? That's good. Good. Get that off there. Okay. And I think this is for the stand. This is for the stand, and this one too for the stand. And this one over here is the base plate. Wow, that's too heavy. Okay, the base plate where we're gonna set up everything. Let's see the side pockets. It's in here. Okay, there you go. So we got this cords that we need for the iPad that we're gonna put in the photo booth. And let's see this side. Alright, so we got the AC cord for the power supply. Okay. Now we're gonna proceed in setting up the Salsa 2 photo booth. Hi, this is Jay from LHCS Studio. I'm here to set up the Salsa 2 photo booth from Photobooth Supply Co. So with me over here on my side is the Salsa 2 boot case, and inside is the Salsa 2 photo booth. So this one, you'll see that this is the faceplate, and then the iPad is already installed. I already installed it earlier, put it here, so when I take it out, it's already there. Okay, let's put this onto the side. And then I'm gonna plug this one to the power supply. Turn that on. Okay, just gonna tap that iPad, swipe it up, and look for the Fiesta app. So once you get to the Fiesta app, you're just gonna go to your event. So your event, click it. So for example, this one, we're gonna click this one, and then we're gonna click configure event. If you wanna change that background, you can choose. There's a lot of different types of backgrounds over here. All right, I'll choose that one, and then I'll click on the LED lights. The LED lights is on. So once you're done with that, you can click start event and start photo booth. There you go, confirm and start. There you have it. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Jake from LHCS Studio. This is the setup of Salsa 2 photo booth. And thank you so much for your time. Bye.